let's create this paint dripping effect in Photoshop. But unlike other tutorials, we'll see two different methods and couple of tips to enhance this effect that nobody had talked about. With all required images already imported in Photoshop, let's do the first method. For this, let's select the subject and add a layer mask to it. Now we will use the dripping paint image, rasterize it if it's a smart object, and then with magic eraser tool remove its background and convert it again to smart object. Now place it on the subject. Make sure that its dripping part is not outside the subject border. After that, with Ctrl or Command key pressed, click on the dripping image thumbnail to make a selection. Then press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus I to invert the selection, and then click on the subject thumbnail to activate it. And with hard round brush, flow to 100% and foreground color as black, paint at the bottom of the dripping image to hide the extra part of the subject. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect the selection, and this is how the subject looks if we hide the dripping image. But here's what nobody talks about. If we unhide the dripping image and change its blend mode to screen, we'll get this paint texture on our subject. It will be easily done with black paint dripping image, but for other images, you may try the other blend modes. We can add mask to it and blend it with the subject with soft round brush, flow to 15% and foreground color as black. Blend the dripping image with the subject. Now for the second method, select the subject and press Ctrl or Command plus J to get it on the new layer. Convert it to smart object and adjust its position. Now go to Filter, Liquify, or use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl or Command plus X. Also check out the Liquify effect poster we created in the previous video. In the Liquify window, select the forward wrap tool at the top left side and stroke it at the bottom to create the dripping effect. But here is what nobody talks about this method, that if we just stroke it simply, it creates a pointed part, and that's not a paint dripping effect looks. So we need to make it round. To do that, take more part of the image and not just the border or edge of the subject, and while ending the stroke, make sure to not fully drag it. Let me fast forward this. And now press OK to apply. This is how the final result looks. Let's add a solid adjustment layer, select a color and unhide the poster details I had kept prepared beforehand. And we have created this paint dripping effect with two methods. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.